2020, 98,000 miles, F-250 here. Customer's complaint, truck died while driving. Customer took a trip and he said during the trip his MPGs on the dash kept going up and down. He didn't really know what was going on. The truck was still driving fine and then it died and would not restart. He also had another issue where he had two codes. So the truck died. It said a P0087, which is a low pressure fuel code. Just tells you there's a low pressure issue somewhere on the engine. Could be high or low side. You have to determine that. He also had a P2073, which is a MAF correlation. So I'll show you what we found with the MAF correlation first. Typically when you get this code, you're going to look at your air filter, make sure your air filter is good. Another thing you need to look at is leaks in the CAC system. What I mean by that is the CACOs. So the intercooler pipe here, you got a rip in it. You see it right there. So that's why it's setting that code, because it's losing boost pressure. So what the mass airflow is reading and what the MAP sensor reading, it and correlating. So that's where it's losing its pressure. So that'll fix that code. Now the P0087, the truck died while driving, obviously. So we ran a test. We have low pressure fuel. Fuel sample's good. All that's good. So we got approval from the customer to pull the regulator out of the driver's side rail and inspect for metal. What that'll tell us is that the injection pump, the Cp4, has failed. If you look in there, it's full of metal. That's from the Cp4. The Cp4 is destroyed. You can also see at the tip of the pressure control valve, see all that buildup? That's all from the metal. Initially, that's what caused the truck to actually shut off. This truck will need a complete fuel system. If you don't want to end up like this and you want to do preliminary to fix this problem, S&S Diesel sells a DCR conversion. We keep them in stock. You can install that pump and that will prevent the pump that comes on these trucks from failing, and it'll save you a lot of money. So you pay a little bit now or you're going to pay a lot later when it happens, and it doesn't give you much warning, as this guy had happened to him. Happens very fast.